Hello? Okay, today we are going to install a steering wheel spacer on a Dacia Logan. You see the steering wheel? It doesn't come out, there is no adjustment. So when I drive, my knees hit the steering wheel and there is no way to pull it out and handle it in the correct position. And this is the steering wheel spacer. It has the sticker with the QR code which point you to the fitting instructions downloadable from our website in a PDF. We can now proceed with the installation, and the first step normally is disconnect the battery, but the battery doesn't work today on our Dacia, so we go next step. Pulling out the airbag. So you have to unscrew the two Torx bolts behind the steering wheel. You unlock one side, then the other one, and unscrew the bolts, and you pull out the airbag, very easy. Then you have to disconnect the connector. First unlock the safety clip, then lift the connector, which is now off, and the airbag is free, so you can lay it safely on the passenger side, and go ahead unscrewing the central Torx bolt that holds the steering wheel in place. Have a friend holding the steering wheel in while, then unlock the bolt and stock the bolt somewhere because you no longer need it. Then shake a little bit the steering wheel to be sure that it slides safely on the steering column, and pull it out gently and make the wires go across the slot. Let's have a look at the steering wheel spacer now. You see that it's a replica of the steering wheel on one side with the same splined bore, and it's a replica of the steering column on the other side with the same splined shaft. The spacer comes pre-assembled from our factory, and you only have to insert in the steering column, then gently make the wires go across the slot in the steering wheel and insert the steering wheel in the shaft of the spacer. Then you have to fix it with the longer bolt which is included in the kit, and you tighten the bolt, and now you only have to insert the airbag. Just pre-align the connector in place, push it, and push the secure clip back. Now you have to re-tighten the bolts of the steering wheel, and now you're done. You finish your job. You only have to check that everything works as before. So you turn on the engine. There should be no warning light, and the steering wheel must rotate left and right as free as it was before the installation, and the stalks must return automatically as they did before. You see now that the sitting position is much improved because my knees no longer touch the steering wheel. There is a lot of more room. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.